Well, I think I got it dug out as far as I'm going to, and trust me, this flat bar crowbar really works good to dig in there at an angle and use your hammer on that. And I got it all dug out. See how loose these wires are now. And see that white pipe in there? That's why you got to be careful when you're digging. I felt something down there and I thought, what is that? And I saw a white. Let's see, here's a sprinkler for the grass. And see, they just ran it. They kind of circled it around, and they didn't actually follow the contour of the actual mowing strip. But that's for the main sprinkler here. I do not think I poked it or anything. If I wanted to, before I backfill this, I could turn the sprinklers on, take a look at that and all that. But see, now that I have it that far, I got those roots out of there, and I use that again to cut those off. Now I'm going to cut that off with the Sawzall, that off with the Sawzall, and see, I got this, and see where I had to dig it back in there, and that's where that flat bar came in handy, and a hammer, and my stiff putty knife, and everything else. Now I can determine where I want to cut that root. I'm going to get it back beyond the sprinkler, and I'm glad I found this, because had that grown any more, it would have just kept going down, and eventually it would have cracked the sprinkler pipe, and I had a big old leak there. And you see the mess I've got here digging this out. Can you imagine if I would have finished all this and didn't check it out, and had all my decomposed granite down, had everything done, and then that started leaking? This is what I have to do to dig it up, and I'd have to put a drop cloth or something down so I didn't get the dirt intermixed with the decomposed granite. See, now, remember, I made the determination, cut this about right in here, right across in here, so that I can leave that little root, and then it's got a piece coming off the side, actually, right there. So I know I'm going to have to, I can cut it right about there. Okay, that's why I dug down further. Had I not, I could have dug it there and then thought, oh crap, I should have left that root going down. That's kind of earmarking this side, and then that root is too. You know, it'd probably be fine if you chop that out too. But see, now I can get this whole long section out of there, can't I? Then I can keep digging over there and seeing where these wires go, whether or not there's a pipe down there, like a 2-inch ABS pipe for a chase pipe going across there, or a 3-inch ABS or something like that. Okay, either way, I'm glad I've decided to dig this. Okay, so I've got to go get my my Sawzall now and chop that bugger out.